Hello everyone, welcome back to the series on Indian mathematics, Ganitha Ratna Kosha. We were looking at numerical divisions in the last few videos. Now we will see how we can extend the same flag division method to algebraic division. Let's take a few examples to understand how it works. Let's say we were dividing these two expressions 3x square plus 9x plus 14 by x plus 2. So I will write it in the all the terms of the expression I will write in the flag division structure. X is the divisor and 2 is the flag term. One term in the flag, so one term from the right will be the remainder line. Now I start 3x square divided by x is 3x. Adjustment becomes minus 6x. So the revised dividend is 3x divided by x is 3. Adjustment becomes minus 6, that gives me 8 as the remainder. So the quotient is 3x plus 3 and remainder is 8. So as you can see, this is a very simple way to divide algebraic expressions. Let's take a few more examples so that we understand the power of this technique. So we write 6x square 17x minus 15. I'll retain the signs as it is. 2x is the divisor, minus 4 is the flag. So one term from the right is my remainder line. The only thing is there will be no carry forward like the numeric division, because every term will get divided and we write whatever is the coefficient of the division. So 6x square minus 2 by divided by 2x is 3x. Then adjustment is plus 12x. This is 29x. Divided by 2x is 29 by 2. So there is no carry forward in algebraic division. So we just write 29 by 2 as the coefficient. And the adjustment will be minus 4 into 29 by 2, that is plus 58. So this becomes 43. So the quotient of the division is 3x plus 29 by 2 and remainder is 43. So that is the result of the algebraic division given there. Let's say, and the process remains the same irrespective of the number of terms in the dividend and the divisor. Let's take a slight dividend of a higher order. So I can ignore the writing the excess, the power of the excess. I can just write the coefficient. So 1, minus 6, 3 and 1 are the coefficients of the dividend term. 2 the divisor term, minus 3 and 3 plus 3 are the terms in the flag. So 2 terms in the flag, 2 terms from the right is my remainder line. I start dividing. 1 by 2 is the first term. Then the adjustment is minus 3 into 1 by 2, that is plus 3 by 2 and minus 3 by 2. So this becomes minus 6 plus 3 by 2 is 3 minus 9 by 2. Minus 9 by 2 divided by 2 gives us minus 9 by 4. So because there will be no carry forwards and each expression we will divide into it. Then the adjustment will become minus of minus plus this. So this is a positive term, minus into minus. So the dividend will be adjustment will be negative. So this is 27 by 4 and this is plus 27 by 4. Just need to calculate the result of the addition of fractions carefully. 3 minus 3 by 2 minus 27 by 4. So that gives me 4, 12 minus 6 minus 27. So that is minus 6 plus 27 is minus 21 by 4. So this is minus 21 by 4 and this is 31 by 4. So the quotient of this division is since x cube is getting divided by x square, so this will be x by 2 minus 9 by 4 is the quotient. Remainder is minus 21 by 4 plus 31, minus 21x by 4 plus 31 by 4. So we just need to be careful that in the remainder term, the first term will be x, and then it'll move, it'll reduce as we go to the right. So this is how the algebraic division also gets simpler with the flag division method. Sometimes we might see expressions where some terms are missing. So we just need to add the terms with coefficient 0. So if we were solving this, for example, so this will be 4x cube plus 0x square plus 0x minus 1 divided by 3x square plus 0x plus 1. Now I do the flag 4, 0, 0 minus 1 divided by 3, 0 and 1. So 2 digits in the flag, or 2 terms in the flag. So 3, this is 4 by 3, then minus 0 and minus 4 by 3. So this is 0, so this is 0, then again minus 0 and minus 0. So this is minus 4 by 3 minus 1. So the quotient of the division is 4x by 3, and remainder of the division is minus 4x by 3 minus 1. So this is how, as you can see, the divisions of algebraic expressions becomes very simple. In fact, this method is also very similar to what is known as synthetic division in algebra. I have given some problems in the notes section as usual. Please do try them out. You will find the workings on the bharatgyan.com website, and in case you need any clarifications, please don't hesitate to write to me. Thank you.